Okay, this is just a quick review of the minimum requirement to just pass Econ. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Canvas page, open up your economics page in Canvas, and then on the left side here, the blue menu choices, the best thing to do is click on modules. And this is just an example student here. But in each standard, the minimum requirement is that any assignment labeled BLE be completed at 75% or better. That's in each of the first four standards. If it says BLE, and over here you see a green check mark, that means it's already been completed. If you see a BLE that has anything other than a green check mark, for example, a faded out gray circle, or what's more likely at this point, a red circle, that is an assignment that is required to be completed at 75% or more for each of the first four standards. So again, if it says BLE, it is a requirement that you provide that evidence. Just a reminder, this is just what is needed for minimum passing evidence, and that's in the first four standards. Standard 5 is also required that you complete the EverFi Financial Literacy course. This was introduced at the beginning of the semester. Students were provided Wednesdays to work on this, time on Wednesdays, and the EverFi course takes students usually about 3 hours in total to complete. So that's the minimum required evidence that needs to be provided. In the first four standards, all BLEs must be complete at 75% or better, and then complete the EverFi Financial Literacy course.